Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, so we're all suited and booted now. I just wanted to show you guys, as you probably have seen before, how to put, excuse the mess, but I've been packing and organizing, unpacking and organizing, I should say. So basically guys, I'm gonna put my trusty bandana on, which is one of these jubblies right here. Because right outside, yeah guys, by the way, it's 75 degrees already. It's gonna hit like 83 today. It is just a gorgeous day out there. Look at that, guys. I mean, excuse the French windows, but look at that, guys. I mean, what more do you want than a sunny Florida day? So yeah guys, the hotel was really nice. I figured out how the lock worked. Well, basically it's an electronic lock with like a Wi-Fi thing system. So anyways guys, without further ado, I will show you how we're gonna rescue the old Brummy so I can ride today. So you guys got to get yourselves a really nice sharp little stiglet like that or something. You know, anything that will cut through shrink wrap, I guess. And of course, you know, be really careful not to cut yourself, nor cutting, you know, anything like the brake lines or anything on the bike. Yeah, you don't want to do that, guys. See, the Brompton has there we go. I guess what to observe when packing your Brompton, guys. Well, the main thing to observe are these little bits here. See those guys right there? That's where your brackets go. That's where the those are the folding parts of the bike. So yeah, I put a little, you know, sort of foam padding around it and stuff, just to make sure, in case it does fall, you know, it does not, you know, damage too much or however. But yeah, that's the main parts you guys kind of want to look after, and of course the actual brackets that hold them together, I just wrap them separately, bring them on, you know, like with you on a check-in so they don't get lost or anything. And yeah, mainly that's the parts you guys kind of want to conserve, to make sure they don't get damaged, because if those things are damaged, basically you're not going to be able to put the bike back together again. All right, guys, so this was a lot quicker than, as you recall, in Phoenix, huh? With no knife and only a screwdriver, I was really struggling that time. All right, guys. Well, anyways, so you know, your Brompton's undressed now. She's undressed. let's take these bits apart here. There we go. All right, so see, there you go, guys. You got your two grab brackets and your connecting screws. There's one, there's two, and yeah, I always bring those packaged with me on in the old check-in, because yeah, they don't give you any hassles. They don't hassle you about it. So yeah, we're gonna save this. All right, guys. So yeah, the next step will just to be, of course, here's our good old Joe Blow pump. Yeah. So here's our standard Husky. You know, I go out and I go Husky right at Home Depot. You can buy your stuff. You know, you can buy your stuff. I mean, you can buy a lot of things now at Home Depot that are outside of the realm of the Home Depot, but you can also buy electric bikes. You can, you know, bicycles. You can buy all sorts of stuff on the website. So yeah, it's almost like in the Amazon for the home, I get, you know. But in any case, guys, what we're gonna do is cut it short here, and I'm just gonna do a next video, probably from a different angle, showing you guys how quickly it is to assemble the old Brompton on the road. Hasta la ciao, ciao, guys. Bye for now. Over and out from the concrete jungle of Jacksonville, Florida.